Man, don't worry, I got everything, bro. We can do it the right way. What's going on, y'all? We out here this morning about to do this ride out in Darien today. We got our young prospect right here, Caesar. All right, right here walking off. We got Doodle Ball. We got, King. We got El Presidente, TIP. We got our consigliere. If y'all don't watch a Mafia movie, you don't know what that is. Julio. We got another prospect, JC. Man, y'all know how we doing out here in these streets.
Okay.
We been them nicks, nigga, I'm telling, never been broke, never been wild, never been regular, iced out chain, iced out bird, bust down road, bird, 100 on Jordan, arcade know me, war shit on, whoa, war shit on, nah.
Alright, y'all, we pulling up at G House. I already saw some of the members there. Of course, we got a little bit of stragglers, but that's expected. That's how I remember it used to be, all these trucks. Goodness.
Who's that?
That's King.
That's King. Look at this. That's King.
So, CG, King, Prospect. You got Sam, OJ, Derek, Caesar, CJ. I saw just pull up.
Hey guys.
JC back there. We just saw JC at the gas station. So I think we're waiting on Sasha, Wakanda, maybe Violet.
Don't actually buy this still here. I think.
I know Josh said he was coming, but it's not here yet.
Josh.
Will's probably gonna meet us on 85. Zach, I believe, is gonna meet us on 85. Roll out at 9 o'clock. It's 8:43, so got about almost 15 minutes. I'm gonna get out here and go say what's up to everyone real quick. Derek's putting on his flag already, but I think he forgot we gotta hop on 95. But I'm gonna see. It's King Truck Prospect.
It's all white out. Yeah. He was talking about, he was like, oh, I'm gonna do like a smoked lenses like that. So no smoked lenses.
Yeah, definitely cool.
Yeah.
Now he could
Huh?
smoke out the tip. I don't know about tail lights, but I don't know.
Where's all the other darts? Go find all my other darts.
Look good though.
Go find them all. Yeah.
CJ need a driving class because he couldn't even park that today.
He can't park now. He was the first one here.
Exactly. He needs a driving class, and then he goes against traffic.
What's up, Derek?
What's going on? Yes, you do. So both men, how you doing?
Hey guys.
Hi, Amy.
That image you see?
Nice. You did a good job.
She had to stitch these letters together to get it. But it would not print out the regular.
It looks good though. Look at y'all. This is JC's truck. That shit huge. It's a Cummins. Our Cummins. Don't shoot me.
How the fuck do you charge this shit? What the fuck?
He's gonna catch on, so you better hurry up.
How do you charge it? Oh.
Try again. You gotta go closer. Hey.
Hey, sweetie.
That little motherfucker got some kicks, right?
What's up, baby? How you doing?
How are you?
I just.
Really brings out black. Just really brings out whatever skin tone you got. It really
Yeah.
brings it out.
I think mine's far.
Yeah. Boom, not away. For the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. Did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? Checking from my fan life is fantastic. I was broke as hell, sleeping on the mattress. Living like a hell when nobody happy. Hot shells jumping out, they send me automatics. Ran it up by the condo, got a new edit. Now the VV's with a V-long jean jacket. They can see me even if you had 3D glasses. Bad bitch in the bikini, she from Calabasas. Got a pocket full of blue cheese and some green relish. I'm a psycho for these hunters, got a cash fetish. I've been studying these hunters, I'm a mathematic. Getting this love make me wanna buy my dedicated. Since the love got me geeked up, I don't need a head. Drake gold, let these niggas know we've already. Spend clothes on my bitches, we ain't ball capping. Alien feel like I'm living on my own planet. For the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. Did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? She know she was overseas, they were patent leather. Shopping Tokyo, Japan, they the best ever. Blue bear t-shirt, sleeve button leather. Hard top, turn a vert, riding anywhere. Ain't gotta bend down, this ain't a propeller. Man, we spend it down, copping Gucci sweaters. If the drippin' nigga drowning, I cannot help him. We some booming out of guys, we are not the devil. Got Colombia out of times, out of Mexico. Beds 100 times, still smell dope. That's a pimp, fill up, line, fill up Velcro. My bitch fine, and like shopping on Rodeo. I be if you don't want copy, piss a day, yo. Ain't stingy, my bro gonna get a payroll. I just want the pretty women in the peso. I can only hit the engine in this Lambo. On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke.
And he wants me to do what honors him the most. That's why I'm safe. That's why I'm safe. That's why I'm safe.
A lot of trees, need a weed plant. Did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? For the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. Did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? New cool, I'm a space cadet. Yeah. Measure about 2 potatoes. Boom. Easy dripping, got these nigga wet. He on the Illuminati way. New cool, I'm a space cadet. Yeah. Measure about 2 potatoes. Boom. Easy dripping, got these nigga wet. He on the Illuminati way.
Welcome to Eternity.
I turned to an addict, I brought me a paddock, I brought her a baby one. Yeah, I brought me a Maybach, came with 2 doors, yeah, that's a Mercedes for sure. I stay with the baddest, I'm counting the cabbage while making my lady come. I brought a G-Wagon, that shit was a rabbit, that's why I be racing. Yeah, we brought the 4-door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, we brought the 4-door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, we brought the 4-door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, we brought the 4-door, had to get ready for war.
I got static in my city, who fucking with me? Pull up with this 30 and this chopper, hold a 50.
I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today. The hate be so real, the love be fake. Be bumping they gums and bumping my tape. Don't go against me, they ask for my help. Go get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept. Yup, she got a nigga, he got a shirt. Why? You can't compete when you can't compare. She ate the dick through my underwear. Got up and got herself out of there. I see they put me on memes and things. Don't speak on my life without knowing the real. 8 figures a year, what it cost me to live. Don't hold it, just say what you feel. But watch your mouth before I fly at your big word. To a place that you didn't know exists. Mediterranean water, my wrist. Keep it on piss, how I'm talking my shit. 6 figure check for a show, man, I'm lit. Let's celebrate in my bag, legit. These niggas with me with whatever I'm with. Didn't know who did it, got everybody hit. Bitch, I don't like niggas, I don't like bitches, I don't like nobody. We can get gangster, we can keep it cordial. How you wanna go back? How you wanna do it? I don't backtrack, man, fuck that. I don't miss nobody. Left it on scene, I ain't right back. I don't trust nobody. I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today. These bitches will cry and be lying in your face. Slicker the nuts, gotta know how they play. If the money went straight, you won't be here today. Ain't that man, sure know what to say. You ain't me, so it's hard to relate. What? How much cash I fuck off every day? Big bag. Don't play with me, baby, go play with your pussy. You see them in person, these niggas be shooting. $100, it cost you a Quavo to book me. I'm worth it, the proof in the pudding. Surrounded by bitch I'm looking like William, but they ain't my girlfriends.
So we just went around the neighborhood that the incident took place at. Had a nice police escort. Did a very good job blocking out the lanes and everything. The neighborhood looked very peaceful neighborhood. You had the people in the neighborhood that was outside, showing the support for the ride along, which is very nice. I'm glad we got to participate in this event today. Sad that the event, what led up to this event took place. That's the sad part, the hard part. But we're gonna come out every year and try to support this event. And so now we're headed back to where we started. We're supposed to have some vendors out there, some food trucks. I guess everyone, stay if you want to, or go back home. It was his aunt. She said earlier that it was a lady who drove all the way from Memphis, Tennessee, 10-hour drive just to participate in this event. A 10-hour drive to participate, and I'm glad that the family allowed other vehicles besides Corvettes to attend this event. You got trucks out here, cars out here, motorcycles out here, slingshots out. Just real nice that all these people come together to support this event. So, yeah.
I heard I'ma spin on your block at the back when they finish. It look like the world end, dog. I ain't asked for it, they did it to me. What? Niggas exposing their hands for free. You caught in the middle, that's bullseye. You got hit, but we were targeting heat. Now I'm popping my shit with a capital P. SRT, red eye, red key. Might be ugly, but my bitch prep. She ain't even sneeze, but still I've left. I don't like niggas, I don't like bitches, I don't like nobody. We can get gangster, we can keep it cordial. How you wanna go back?
Yeah, G. You almost hit us like twice.
Well, when your hazards are on, your taillights don't work. So when I looked up, all I saw was your truck and no ramp. Same thing that happened. Yeah, he was retarded. And then they just peeled off?
Yeah, it's like, no problem towards the back. I'm like, they told everybody to come back here.
Yeah. On backtrack, man, fuck that. I don't miss nobody. Left it on scene, I ain't right back. I don't trust nobody. I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today. I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today. I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line.
Hey, that kid at the bottom. That's it. She gave my thing. Trying to get all in the
Okay.
Yo, killer, nobody gonna play with you when I'm with you. Go against any nigga like fuck this glitter. Skeet all dirt on bitches. I put it in for you, I spin for you. Whatever you with, I'm with it. How you gon' cost a nigga out rockin' with you? I got you lit in the city. I been multitasking, rapping and being a daddy to my little children. I been spinning on business and spinning and spinning and spinning until I'm dizzy. I do all the smack, you never step or help with none of you killin'. You doing a lot of capping, watch when I catch, I'ma whack in front of witness. Damn, I knew you were trippin'. We could've been superstars. Remember when we were checking cars? Now it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Damn, I knew you trippin'. We could've been superstars. Up and now I'm reminiscing. Remember when we were checking cars? Now you better keep your distance, cause it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Track hard with the kick, snatch off from the bitch. When I slide, nightlight on the blick. Bet I'm on my shit when I'm outside. So them ran down, caught them pants down. Nigga, you shitted. I knew the perk was fake, but I still ate, cause I'm a criminal. Yeah, cut dope in KTV, that door wide open. Wait till my sniper get out. All you niggas gon' die. Time rolling, bustin' on my opponent, no how I'm stepping. Crush my arcs, totally wood jet broke, no motion. Sleeping on sofas, creeping in highs like roaches. I done went cage and stayed in the cage. Now free me, baby, can't keep me, baby. I beat them cases, they already hate me. They gon' want me dead when I'm on probation. Oh, y'all think Lil Yak retarded? Y'all ain't seen nothing yet, I promise. Niggas can't take me, niggas can't guard me. I be on the fuck nigga ass like Charmin, aka 28 Carvin. We could've been superstars. Remember when we were checking cars? Now it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Damn, I knew you trippin'. We could've been superstars. Up and now I'm reminiscing. Remember when we were checking cars? Now you better keep your distance, cause it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Track hard with the kick, snatch off on the bit. When I slide, nightlight on the blick. Bet I'm on my shit when I'm outside. So them ran down, caught them pants down. Nigga, you shitted. I knew the perk was fake, but I still ate it, cause I'm a criminal.